Hey there, it's David Cinelli here. It's recording, yeah. I pressed the record, but it's never
I'm
sure.
always laughing as soon as we start the... Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature with Ariana. Hey, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So I know people don't want to hear this, but the weather's starting to change and it's getting a little bit cooler out. So we have a home tip for today's Tuesday. It's the first one we're doing together, believe it or not.
Yeah,
Which
first one.
you might not be thinking about, that's why we're bringing it to your attention. So it's a good opportunity now because things are getting colder. A lot of people are probably going to be, as it gets the fall weather, they use a lot of base heaters, or sometimes you use fires, like real fires in the fireplace. Basically anything that heats up, which you want to keep warmer besides your furnace.
Yeah.
There's an issue with that. Sometimes...
Yeah, well, a fire can start, right? And you want to make sure that if that does happen, you can exit safely, you and your family. And
Yeah, it's a time of year, obviously, that fires are prevalent in homes, and you know, that's the because people are using other means to heat up their homes as opposed to like just regular furnace. So yeah, it's a good idea that if you are living in a home, I don't care where it is, even if you're living in a condo, you want to have an escape route, an escape plan, right? And if you have kids like I do, you don't have to. We got Ruby, her dog, on the side here. I think she knows how to get up. It's a good idea to have an escape plan, right?
yeah, take them through it, make sure they understand, and you're on the same page.
Yeah, in the case of emergency, you want to know depending on what floor you're on, where you can get out safely. If doors are blocked, what else you can do? Just have an escape route. It's probably the best idea. And if you can, take the time, draw it out. If you have younger kids like I do, you want to make sure that they know everything. If you want to let them draw it out, at least they'll know the plan. And it's a good escape room. If you're in the basement, you might also want to tell them it's a good idea. If you have windows that they can crawl through, you might have to break them, show them a piece of, I don't know, something that's close, maybe a poker from a fireplace or a baseball bat, to break the window for them to crawl out and crawl. So yeah, so our safety tip today, I know you're not thinking about it now, but I know it's getting colder. In case there's a fire break in at home, you want to be able to get out safely.
And make sure you test your smoke alarms.
Oh yeah.
Sometimes we might forget to do that, and you want to make sure it's working.
Yeah, absolutely. Great tip. Have a wonderful day, guys.
Thank you.